An item I would like to discuss today is home warranty contracts for real estate transactions. Are they real, or does your real estate client get something different after the closing? Let's discuss. Over the years, I've reviewed hundreds of other home warranty companies' contracts, and they are all different, but one thing I've noticed with some of the large national warranty companies is their contracts say sample contract on them. So what does this mean for your real estate client? Because the large national warranty companies have hundreds of reps that are in all states, they have to have universal contracts they send out to their sales force. Now this seems fine and everything, but this sample contract is a sample. Therefore, when your client gets their actual contract from the warranty company, there may be coverage options, limitations, and other items that are different from the actual sample contract you would be handing them at closing, or that's part of your real estate packet. Therefore, I always recommend asking your local rep or a contact at the home warranty company to send you the actual contract the client would receive after the closing and review those terms. If you'd like to learn more about home membership, our home warranty coverages, and member benefits, please leave a comment below and I will reach out to you direct, or feel free to click on the links below for some more information. Thank you from your home membership family.